Welcome to my channel. The famous member of global boy band BTS recently created a wave of excitement among American netizens with the release of his latest solo album titled Layover. The album, which showcases V's outstanding solo talent, has broken numerous records and impressed American netizens. The album Layover, which was released on September 10, 2023, quickly topped the charts and achieved immense popularity. This was V's first solo album that was highly anticipated by fans around the world. In this album, V explored a variety of music genres and demonstrated his outstanding vocal and songwriting skills. The album Layover has broken several significant records, including the fastest-selling record in America. American netizens have also responded very positively to the album Layover. Various hashtags related to the album became trending topics on social media, and many American fans and celebrities their support and admiration for V's work. BTS, who is known for his stunning vocal quality and songwriting talent, seems to have created a new wave in the music industry with the solo album. Layover not only rocked the United States but also achieved great success in various international markets, showing V's universal appeal as an artist. BTS's solo album continues to make history in the music world, and fans are eagerly awaiting future work from the world's most talented K-pop stars. In addition to its success in the United States, the Layover album has also recorded impressive international sales. The album has been a huge hit in various countries, including Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and a number of Asian countries. The album's physical and digital sales reached numbers unprecedented in V's career, leaving music critics from around the world gave high praise to the album Layover and V's performance on it. They noted that the album not only featured impressive musical diversity but also illustrated V's artistic maturity and his ability to convey deep emotions through the songs. Many famous musical peers and producers from around the world also paid tribute to V for the achievement of the album Layover. Some prominent artists such as Beyoncé, Ed Sheeran, and Taylor Swift expressed their appreciation for V's creativity and talent in this album. One of the highlights of the Layover album is V's contribution in writing and composing most of the songs on it. This shows his ability as a multifaceted artist who is not only able to convey emotional messages through his vocals, but also through his creativity in writing lyrics and music. BTS's solo album Layover has indeed shaken up the music world in every way. The success of the album not only reflects BTS's immense popularity worldwide, but also the great potential that V has as a solo artist. As expected by his loyal fans, V continues to innovate in his music and give his listeners an immersive experience through this highly anticipated album. All eyes are on the next steps that V will take in his brilliant solo journey. In addition to his achievements in the music industry, the album Layover also made a positive impact in terms of inspiration. Through his powerful and emotional lyrics, V managed to convey messages about perseverance, struggle, and dreams. Many fans have expressed how the songs in this album have provided support and encouragement during difficult moments in their lives. This is a true testament to the positive influence of music in the lives of fans around the world. Meanwhile, recently, the Korea Business Research Institute has released the September 2023 brand reputation rankings for each boy group member. V became in second place after Jungkook with a brand reputation index of 4,247,789, marking an 8.67% increase in his score since last month. With the success of the Layover album, V has cemented his status as one of the global icons in the music industry. In addition to having a very strong fan base around the world, he has also become a role model for many young people who dream of pursuing a career in music and art. His outstanding achievements in the solo album show that success knows no bounds. What do you think? Write in the comments.